Hello everyone, I am Dinesh, the inventor of Price Break Signal strategy. Welcome to Price Break Signal website and to the community of Price Break Signal. In this video, I'll be giving a little introduction of Price Break Signal. So, what exactly is Price Break Signal? As the name says, price, break and signal. It's a signaling system which alerts the users with the potential places of a reversal in the market for that particular currency pair. As you can notice in the panel here, the price break signal works across 30 different pairs and they are all configurable. If you want to trade with gold, you can configure. If you want to trade with silver, you can configure, all in just one click and a change of the parameter in the indicator. So if you are a completely newbie in terms of binary options, I would suggest to happily come to this community and learn from us, and we are here to teach you all the basics of market and then train you in price break signal and keep you profitable. It is very simple to understand. The policy here is to train you for a month, and if you can get your head around this strategy in a month's time, then I will not sell the indicator to you and you can't have the indicator at all. The reason is very simple, because if you can't get the hook of making money in a month, then you will never probably get it. 1 month is a very good time to understand the indicator and the market structure after getting trained. So I will help you with understanding of the market and I will be there with you in terms of trading, and there is a big community along with the senior traders and people who are very well educated in terms of technical analysis and understanding of the market structure and how the price moves. So you'll be joined to the community, and you can find more details on Tidbits page on the website. So let's go into the details of the panels. So the price break signal strategy works only on 5 minutes. I locked the indicator to work on 5 minutes. So by the way, I wrote the indicator myself. All the lines that you see on this chart are written by me. So I know how it works, and I know how to make it work and how to break it. So it's not something that I don't know and all I have seen is some changes in the colors and making use of it. It's not like that. I calculate the points, I calculate the price points in the market, and I calculate the fractal points. I also calculate the support and resistance in the market. So all those features are put together in one single screen, and that is for you and ready to trade. So how it works? So I won't go into much details of how it works, but the way it works is it calculates the price rejection points in the market using certain formulas, basing upon the fractal points or basing upon support and resistance. So there are many other things which you can know more about it when you subscribe to us and trade with price break signal. So as you can see here, when I am trading on my own without price break signal from the first place, it was very difficult for me to switch the charts. I'll be having 10 different charts in the panel in the MT4. So each time I have to see a chart, I have to go to that particular place and click the chart and open it and then see what's happening here. But then it was very difficult, and then I introduced panel switcher, one of my first basic indicator where I can switch the charts using a click of a button. Like you see here in the price break signal, you got multiple buttons here. So that is how it is, and that is how the panel was developed. And then I used to use so many indicators, and which is like my chart become full of indicators. Some are session indicators, some are market indicators, some are news indicators, some are something else indicators. So, but it was always difficult for me to identify which pair has got a news and what is the time left, and so such kind of stuff. So to put everything into one place, I always wondered is if anybody can put everything into one place. Then I decided myself, why can't I do it myself? Because I am a developer and I know how to code. So I developed this currency panel and I developed the magic price signals indicator. So now you can see all the markets the basic strong markets are here. It will tell you which market is open in red color and which market is not operating in gray color. It will tell you the time of the local times of the current of the markets, and here you can see the news. So if I say here, which means that in 6 hours I got this news, which is local to your time, and gray means the past news. So if I say let's go to GBP USD, no, let me use CHF. Oh, I can find a news with anyway. So this is the news. So within 1 hour we got a news which is local to my time. So I am based in United Kingdom, London market. So within 1 hour 16 minutes I have a news in USD. So that is how it is. And when the news are happening, you will get a short window here, short sign here, which will tell you the countdown of the news. High news and medium news are given because price break signal strategy doesn't allow you to trade during the news. So basically that is what price break signal is. And if you are really interested in understanding and learning price break signal, join us, and we are here to help you. And there is certain procedure, you can get it on the website, how to join page. And also the most important thing is to be profitable and follow a bit of discipline when you are in the group. And you can all this information is available in tidbits page on the website. Please go through it, and please go through how to join page, and then follow the instructions on how to join us. And I welcome you all, and please make use of price break signal and become profitable. Once again, welcome you all to price break signal community. Thank you.